So hi guys, today we are going to do rotate element by one place. So how can we do? So first of all we have this original array 1 2 3 4 5 elements, which having 5 elements of this, and the give output should be this. We are only rotating this to the last and on all array to the first. Okay, their first. Okay, how can we do this? So now let's discuss how we can go to do. So first of all, we should traverse that array, or for at the topmost thing is we want to store the first element of this array to a temporary variable. Okay, so first int temp, we are just storing that first element arr dot arr of what, 0. Okay, zeroth element we are going to store in the temporary variable. Okay, after that what we want to do, first of all we should traverse that array, then int I should be 0. After that I should be less than n. Here's the n is the length of the variable, so here we want to declare the n is arr dot, so here the n is this. Okay, after that I plus plus, so here we are traversing that array. After that what we can do, first of all we want to it will start from 1. Okay, just we should, first of all what we want to do, we are going to do this element to the first place. Okay, at the first place. Okay, now so for that if array of I minus 1, what we are going to do, array of I minus 1 means 0, I 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. At the 0th place we are going to add array of I, the I is first. Okay, at this place we are putting 2. Okay, as this always it will move. Okay, and this we are going to close this. After that what we can do, we are going to store at the last position. What we are going to store, we are only moving the first place and the last place. Okay, first place and the last place. At the last place we are storing the our first element of the array, and at first place we are going to first element of second element of that array. Okay, so through that we are storing the first, because here we are store the first variable in the temp. Okay, first element of that array in the temp. Okay, after that we want to print that array. Okay, for this I am using the for loop I arr. Okay, we are traversing again. What's the output? So system dot out dot print, what we are printing, I. Okay, we are only printing I. So here's the code through which, okay, through which we are going to easily print what we want the output. Okay, so is the easiest way for rotating the element by one place. So thank you, and if you love this video and this video is very, if this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting topic related the array or something else programming questions. So thanks a lot.